Hi everyone, welcome to our service podcast. In this edition, Mark Drage will be sharing with us some of the enhancements taking place within the Help Desk and Customer Support Division.
Hi, my name is Mark Drage. I'm the Operational Resolution Manager based here in Northampton. I manage the call receipt teams, the service desk team and technical support teams, also the remote resolution team as well. So later this month we'll be upgrading to Siebel 8. This is the next logical step within the development of Siebel. It will give us a scalable platform to be able to include all our services, current and new, that we're offering. So we'll be able to onboard them successfully and seamlessly. Internally, we'll be using a remote operating control system. So we'll be able to log on to a customer's control panel with their permission, take over, show them how to use it, show them, get through any queries they have. Also, we have op-panel emulators as well. So any staff we have in here that are remote assisting the customer can actually use the panels in here without having to invest heavily in having, traditionally we'd have to have lots of machines in here, so we had a copy of every panel. But now we'll be able to do that just using an emulator on the agent screens. With all our new lines of business and our strategy to encourage the customer to self-serve, we are trialling currently speech recognition. So the customer will phone up on our consumable lines and the system will actually talk them through placing a toner order. With always the option to go to a human, if you like, should anything sort of go wrong or the customer doesn't like what they're doing. We're also using web pop-up chat on our e-service. So customers, instead of calling in, can actually just pop-up box will come up and they'll get assistance straight away. The other thing we're looking at as well is how to control the numerous amount of emails we get through every day. So there'll be one central management system that will allocate automatically emails to the correct department. The UK is the first operating company to become part of the regional service desk. It's a global initiative to offer our multinational customers one single point of contact. And the way we're going to do this is many operating companies around the world will onboard. And we'll be able to offer customers a single point of contact, multilingual in many time zones. So the customer will have a virtual follow-the-sun service desk. It's a service that more and more customers require. Rather than have their individual countries all calling individual numbers, they've got one single central point of contact. To do this, we need one system. Rico Global Services, have invested heavily in a system called ServiceNow, which means we can all use one system with all customers, all global customers on that system, so I can hand a ticket over to another country, another operating company to resolve. So as you can see, we are changing, the business is changing. We've gone from just selling and servicing copiers now to offering services, so everything we do has to be able to support that.
Thanks Mark. Some great initiatives on the horizon, especially with the deployment of Siebel 8 platform. The remote control panel diagnostics, ServiceNow, recognised as a leading industry standard for global support network. This will truly complement the customer experience. In our next edition, Mark Monaghan will give us a brief update on ITS and project work. Thanks for watching.
Rico.